National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, Lee County in north-central Illinois, Ogle County in north-central Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 miles west of Coletta to 13 miles southwest of Tampico to 14 miles west of Osceola, and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Flying debris will be dangerous to people and animals. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Walton and Polo around 4:35 p.m. Mount Morris and Amboy around 4:40 p.m. Oregon and Franklin Grove around 4:45 p.m. Ashton around 4:50 p.m. LaSalle and Stillman Valley around 4:55 p.m. Rochelle and Paw Paw around 5 o'clock p.m. Other locations in the warning include Nelson, Armand, Sublette, West Brooklyn, Compton, Troy Grove, and Stewart. Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 81. Interstate 80 between mile markers 73 and 83. Interstate 39 between mile markers 58 and 103. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. In addition, intense squall lines can sometimes produce brief tornadoes in addition to widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage.